Hello, my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Amazing Craft Ideas. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today, in this video, I bring some latest collection of beautifully designed Mother's Day greeting cards. These are some handmade card arrangements that you can create it for Mother's Day, or by picking up any idea from this video, you can create different decorative arrangements to create these Mother's Day card decoration ideas for your mother. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love all these ideas and create any of them. In this video, I bring some beautiful collection of some colorful Mother's Day greeting card ideas created from different handmade tips or techniques. You can create these sort of uniquely designed Mother's Day card arrangements that you can gift these greeting cards with some other gift arrangements to your mother on this Mother's Day. These are some customized ideas that you will definitely love to create these customized ideas based on your mother's favorite color combinations or things that she will loves the most. You can create it on this greeting card. Viewers, as you have seen in this video, you can pick up any idea from this video to make it a best match for your Mother's Day decorative arrangements or gift ideas you want to create for your mother. You can use different hand painting techniques or tips to make these Mother's Day card into a more unique and colorful crafty idea. Viewers, these are some uniquely designed ideas I will bring for you all to make your Mother's Day more pleasant and beautifully designed by creating any of these ideas, whether it can be created from some quilling craft ideas you want to create these Mother's Day card, or you can use some other paper craft ideas. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some latest ideas for you. So if you have any request, you can mention it in the comment section. I will work on it. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can also mention it in the comment section. I will answer all your queries in the comment section. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you really like my ideas, share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. It helps me to grow my channel and also encourages me to bring some latest ideas for you. So viewers, I hope you will enjoy this video. Keep sharing my video, keep supporting me. Thank you.